Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we uncover the secrets to studying smarter, not harder. Today, get ready to revolutionize your approach to learning with these game-changing study hacks. So let's begin. Don't make a timetable. Instead, note down the tasks you need to accomplish for the day, like to-do checklist, including study sessions. Having a plan in place help you to stay organized and focused. Use small pockets of time throughout the day for quick review sessions. This could be during breaks between the classes. It helps to remember the topic easily. Throughout the day, recall information you have studied. This could involve mentally reviewing key concepts, quizzing yourself on material. Active recall strengthens memory and retention. As the current season is summer, drink water regularly throughout the day to keep your brain hydrated and functioning optimally. Dehydration can negatively impact cognitive function and focus. Schedule short breaks between study sessions to rest and recharge yourself. Use this time to stretch, take a short walk, or engage in a brief mindful exercise to rejuvenate your mind. Review previously learned material at space interval throughout the day. Space repetition enhance long-term retention and reduce the need for last-minute cramming. Keep your study materials and workspace tidy and organized. This could reduce the distractions and make it easier to focus on your task. Identify the most important tasks for the day and prioritize them accordingly. Focus on completing high priority tasks first to ensure you make progress towards the goal. Make a habit of revising the topic before going to bed at night. It helps to maintain retention and prevent forgetting. Review. Write the topics into brief summary and key points to remember easily. If you find this helpful, then like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.